Hey, it's Mr. Peace. Just got done sharing my heart for a first time here at Holy Cross School North in Anderson, Indiana. This was the elementary and junior high, so grades 2 through 8. And just a beautiful morning where I got to speak to the students and staff about bullying, but more importantly, looking at someone's heart first. I'm right in the hallway outside of the gym where we had the programs, and I love how they have so many things on the walls, on the hallway walls that really kind of speaks to some of the main themes that we talked about in today's programs. And that is to choose kind, you see right here. We also have to be courageous and to be kind on the wall there. And if I flip this around on the back wall, the quote from Gandhi that we also mentioned, which is to be the change that you wish to see in the world. And the actual quote is that you must be the change, right? So if you want more kindness, if you want more love, if you want more peace here at your school, in your classroom, in your community, then you have to be that kindness. You have to be that love. You have to be that peace. And it starts in our heart, as big as our fist. If we let love, peace, compassion, empathy, and Christ fully enter into here, we can turn this into this. Peace sign. One finger is yourself, the other is someone you're trying to lift up higher than yourself by how you choose to treat that person, hopefully with love. But also too, because in just 2 seconds, we can say something so kind that it stays on someone's heart in a great way for the rest of their life, or conversely, we can say something so mean, it stays on their heart in a negative way for the rest of their life. And so we have that choice of whatever we're going through or will go through or have gone through, any pain in our heart, that we can ask God to come in and help to heal that pain, right? That we can turn hurt people who hurt people into healed people who heal people. And that ties into Isaiah 53, that by his wounds we are healed, right? By his ultimate sacrifice, his ultimate act of kindness, we can become these healed people, cleaned as pure as the snow, as white as the snow, to go out and be that light for this world, right? And the youth really got that today. We really hammered it home that, like it says in 1 Samuel 16:7, that so many times we look at the outward appearance, right? Man, woman, but God always looks at the heart. And to know that it's not always easy to do that, but it's so necessary, it's so needed, it's so vital in today's world that we go and show that peace to people around us, especially those that maybe don't believe their own worth, right? That don't like their own reflection when they look in the mirror, right? And it comes down to this too. Every one of us in the palm of our hands, with the lines on each of our hand, we have at least one on each hand. With the lines on your hand, I trace one of mine here, we all have the letter M. And that M stands for miracle, right? Like my shirt here. M for miracle, upside down, W for worthy. That we are beautiful miracles worthy of love to give it and receive it. And we as Catholics, as Christians, we know this, right? It says this in the Bible in Isaiah 49, I have engraved you on the palm of my hands. And this is the proof from God, right? This is basically God saying that you are beautiful, right? That you are worthy of love and that you are a miracle. And so it breaks my heart when students come up and to me, and even some did today, that said that they maybe don't believe this or might have forgotten this, or for whatever reason they're only looking at a certain imperfection, when in reality we are created in Christ's image and likeness and in his beauty, and all of us are beautiful people, right? We need to buy into that. We need to believe that. We need to not only show that self-respect, but then go out and share that same kindness with others all across this world. So again, thank you guys for touching my heart. You guys are beautiful. Have a great rest of the school year. Hope to be back again to share my heart. Until then, and as always, make sure to hit the subscribe button you'll see pop up on the screen. Feel free to check out the playlist here of some motivational videos. And you can also visit my website through the peace sign symbol link on the screen as well to track my journey across this country as I continue to heal America's heart, one school at a time. Christ peace.